Have you ever gone magnet fishing? No, you're not fishing for magnets. You're fishing with a magnet, a great big huge magnet. Well, first of all, thanks to Tina over at Striving for a Simple Life, because she had a video the other day that they were out magnet fishing. And I said to Joe, we have not been out magnet fishing all summer long. So today we went magnet fishing. We went to a creek and then we went to the fishing lake. And it's fun. It's fun when even when you reel in the silliest little things. But we got all kinds of fun, crazy things, and I'll show you a picture of those. But the funnest part was when we were in part of the fishing lake. We had moved to a different spot, and I threw my magnet out there, and I'm starting to pull it back in, and it gets stuck. And we move the rope to the side and to the other side. It's not budging. So I'm going into the fishing lake because they're spendy. They're not cheap magnets. So I go in and it gets deeper and it gets deeper and it gets deeper and it's way up to here. And I cannot get that magnet out from underneath that rock. So Joe goes in. So let's see Joe in the water. Isn't he a trooper? I mean, he's wet up to here. The water is cold. But he gets the magnet out. He said I almost had it. It was just a little bit when he went out there, which was probably him just being very sweet. But I always tell Joe that it's my retirement fund. But today, I did not add to my retirement while we were magnet fishing. This is my box that I keep all of my magnetic fishing stuff in. And I always tease Joe that it's Sandy's retirement fund. But today, we found lots of stuff, but not really worth it. Saving anyway. Here's all of our treasures from magnet fishing today. 4 pieces of metal. Don't know the history around that. Some little fish hooks, a salamander, just different lures and stuff that we found. A flag. There's another jig thing. As always, like, subscribe, share with the world. I hope you're enjoying this weekend. It is beautiful here. It's about 74 degrees, the sun is shining, there's a little breeze. This is Sandy and I am Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming. See you next time.